Okay, so AI OFM conversions. Now, a lot of people come to me, they've got everything set up, they've got an Instagram, they're getting some followers in, they've got a Fanvue page, but they can't seem to convert people from socials to their Fanvue page. It is probably the most wrongly perceived problem, and I'm going to go over that very, very soon. However, conversions are very important, and in order to do so, we're going to need to optimize Fanvue profiles, Instagram pages, and our funnels. So that is what I'm going to go over today. The most common problem, it's not really. How many followers do you need to be able to get subscribers and get conversions in? Bios, DMs, engagement with your followers, discounts, free subs, and your Fanvue page. I'm going to go over all that right now. So, why it's common? Let's be honest. Now, a lot of the time, conversions aren't the issue at all. Most people, if this is the issue, will require someone to actually physically look at their funnels and improve them, which is why things like the coaching program exist. When someone comes into the coaching program, the first thing we'll look at is their funnels. And most of the time, they're shit. Now, we are able to instantly improve their funnels and their pages so that they can actually start bringing in a decent amount of conversions from them. However, most of the time, this is not the problem at all. Now, is it a Fanvue issue? Perhaps. I get that that OnlyFans is a more popular platform, and perhaps Fanvue brings in less conversions. That is completely a possibility that we have with using Fanvue. However, they still are the only platform that are allowing AI models right now. Therefore, we have no real choice. Of course, you can get models on OnlyFans, AI models, but it's not ideal. So, how many followers do you need to be able to convert people? So, I don't want to take away from anything here. Don't focus too much on the number of followers that you have. You can literally convert people with no socials at all. You could have no social kind of following, and you could be bringing in people to a Fanvue page. You can do this via just mass DMing people, and a lot of strategies that don't involve having this social profile online. It exists 100%. I know someone who literally focuses purely on email lists. It doesn't matter. You don't need socials. You don't need followers. But if you are complaining about conversions and you have less than 1,000 followers on Instagram, your problem is not conversions. That is not your problem at all. You need to focus more on marketing. You need to focus more on getting more numbers in so that more people can view that page. Because let me tell you now, a 1% conversion rate is actually very high. Think about it. If you have 100,000 followers, 1,000 people converting from that is a very high number. That's very generous, that's very high. So you complaining that you have low conversions when you have 100, 200 followers on Instagram, that's not your problem at all. Conversions aren't your problem. You need more people to be able to see your pages, and that's just the truth. So yeah, that's probably going to upset a lot of people and whatever, but that's the truth. So, your bio. Here's how to optimize your bio. A lot of people have really shit bios or like really long, lengthy bios. Don't do that. Keep it very simple. Just remember that your target audience is the most stupid people in the world, the most emotional people, and they're horny as fuck. So they don't really care. So an example of a good bio is the name, Nicolson apparently in this case. Age is good, especially if they're young or old, because that can be, a niche. You can have a teen niche or, a fucking gilf. Love to travel. Now, reason why traveling is good, especially with AI, is one, you can make your AI model anywhere in the world, whenever you want. And two, traveling gives the possibility and the hope that they will one day meet your model. Give an example. if your model works an office job in London, are they going to be able to get time off to go see Rajit in India? No. But if your model's hobby is traveling and you love to travel and you can't quite afford it yet, Rajit is going to fund your trip to India, if that makes sense. So this is important, very important. See more of me below with a pointing down finger. These people are fucking stupid. You need to make it so clear that that is where they need to go to be able to see more of you or to talk to you. It doesn't have to say see more of me below, but something that insinuates that they need to go here. They're going to click it. They're going to click it, and that's important. Now, underneath that, it may require more than this or less. It's different in different cases, but you'll see a little read more button on your Instagram bio. Underneath that, when you click that, you're going to put something along the lines of digital creator or AI or powered by AI. This is because Instagram will ban you if you don't disclose this and they find out. They'll just ban your fucking account. But we can hide it underneath the read more section, which is good. So however many lines it takes, however many text it takes, I'm not actually sure on the exact number, but play around with it, see what happens. And then obviously your link. Do not put a direct Fanvue link. That's stupid. That'll get you banned. Use a link encryption service, link in bio, beacons.ai, Linktree, just to name a few. DMs. Do you reply to DMs at all? In general, no. Basically, you want your model to be exclusive to Fanvue and not just to anyone who messages her. Think about it. Why are they subscribing to these Fanvue accounts? It's because that is the only place, the exclusive place where she replies. If you're replying to them on DM, are they going to convert? No, because they know that you're accessible via DMs. They're not going to pay to talk to this girl if they can get it for free. And if other people are getting it for free, most importantly. It needs to be exclusive. So this changes if you've got 10 followers and nothing better to do, because then you might as well spend your time trying to convert people to your Fanvue page, if that makes sense. So if you have 10 people, they're all DMing you, have a chat with them, because you've probably got nothing better to do, right? You're probably going to watch Netflix or some fucking bullshit anyway. So DM some people, try convert them towards your Fanvue, and actually, be proactive, not just fucking sit around, wait for something to happen. Go through some messages, try convert people. Why not? You understand how these people's brains work, you'll get better at chatting, get better at sales. Why the fuck not? Some people's whole strategy, by the way, as I explained briefly at the start, relies on DMs and close interactions. So, for example, if you're scrolling through Twitter looking for absolute fucking weirdos, some people's whole strategy relies on DMing people, them replying, then building a close connection, and then bang, drop a Fanvue link, get them across because they're happy to spend money on you. That is a genuine strategy that some people rely on. So keep that in mind, that you can use DMs extremely effectively. It's just not my preferred method. So engagement with followers, very important. Replying to comments is important as fuck. So not only is it going to build a close connection and make them feel special when you reply to their comment on your fucking reel, but also it's telling Instagram that you're replying to comments, which boosts it in the algorithm more, and it boosts the amount of comments. So those two things, boosting in the algorithm, is going to happen when you, one, reply to comments because it's an interaction, and two, boost the amount of comments on the post. They're two important metrics which Instagram looks for to be able to push posts. Interacting with their profiles, like a couple of their shitty pictures, follow them back if you want, whatever. Showing them lifestyle content on stories, very important. If she's going traveling to fucking Rome, she's going to take shit tons of pictures, you're going to show that on stories. You're going to show off you going to the gym, whatever. Replying to DMs, maybe, as we just discussed, you might want to engage your followers this way. Now these are all things that can be automated using ManyChat. ManyChat is a Meta-approved platform which will essentially allow you to reply to comments, DM people, reply to keywords, give out free discounts, shit like that. Again, go on ManyChat, look for it yourself, and it's extremely easy. Figure this shit out, but ManyChat can be used to automate some of these processes here. Promotions, important as well. So Adding discounts to your pages make customers more inclined to subscribe. For one, you're creating FOMO, fear of missing out. That is huge in any type of sales, but especially with the most stupid and insecure people in the world, you're going to push a lot of FOMO into them when you're putting on a promotion or a deal saying, you know, this deal won't be available forever, or do this quickly before it runs out. You're making it seem like a better deal as well. So let's say it's normally $12, you discount it to $5. Wow, you got a deal on, it's normally $12, now it's $5, so I'm saving a lot of money here. Yeah, it's simple psychology. And also, if you are setting it to, you know, $3, it's only the price of a cheeseburger, if that makes sense. So in the customer's brain, what they're thinking is, this is only going to get me fatter. If I spend this on McDonald's, I'm going to spend it on this chick's fucking OnlyFans. That's how their brain works. Very strange people. Free trials, very effective for volume. With a free trial, you're basically creating nothing to lose. Like, it's literally free. They can subscribe, press the subscribe button, easy. Free trials will have a very high conversion rate. And also, you will be able to take money off them in the DMs. So the free trials, they aren't a lost cause. You're not just going to lose out on money from, you know, having them on a free trial, as long as you're not showing anything too explicit on the page, which you shouldn't be doing anyway, because you need them to message you to upsell that kind of content. However, you are going to get a lot of time wasters who have no money or don't want to spend money. But this can be rectified by building a close connection, creating a life that they literally can't walk away from. So for example, if they fall in love with this fucking AI chick online, which a lot of them seem to be doing, which is very fucking strange, you're basically creating a life which they can't just say no to. So if you make them pay for it after that, bang, you're in the money. Fanvue page. Now these are very important metrics on your Fanvue page. Post count, extremely important. If they're going to spend money to get onto this Fanvue page, how many pictures, how many videos does this model have on her page available instantly when they subscribe? That's going to show up in the top left before they subscribe to your account. Very important. You're going to want as much as possible on there, technically. But obviously, don't be showing nude stuff. Don't be showing anything too explicit, because this is stuff that they will pay for. Like count. Like count is important. If you've got 200 posts on your account and 200 likes, that means only one person's basically liked all your fucking pictures. That's nothing special at all. Get your like count up. You can do this in like-for-like groups. I'll leave one below for Fanvue. Basically, all you do is leave your Fanvue account on the like-for-like group. Someone will go through, like all your pictures. You go through theirs, like all their pictures. Simple exchange, and it will grow your like count very quickly. Your banner and profile picture, these should be provocative, not too provocative. Obviously, it can't be fucking nude images because you'll get banned, but provocative enough that they think, fucking hell, I need to subscribe to this right now, especially if they're already in that mood. Bio, once again, keep it fucking simple. Don't write these long fucking stories. Hi, I'm blah blah blah, I love to travel, I want to please you in this way and this way, and if you subscribe I'm going to give you this, and here's my fucking menu, subscribe for this. No, don't do that. Fucking keep it simple. Give them something to subscribe for so that they can get to know you. Promotions, just went over that, but it's extremely important. If you have a big fat promotion button, 50% off today only, bang, you're in. So this is something to ask yourself. If I gave you 1,000 subs tomorrow or today, would you be able to handle it? Serious question. Because a lot of you are crying about conversions and crying about your follower account, but realistically, if I stuck 1,000 subs in your account tomorrow, you wouldn't have a clue how to handle them, how to chat to them, or how to get the most amount of money out of them. And that is why we have created a chatting agency. From our years of experience of hiring chatters, training chatters, and chatting on accounts ourselves, we have been able to gather enough expertise to create our own chatting agency. A lot of people have no fucking clue what they're doing when it comes to chatting. Chatting is the most important element of your account, so why not hire experts to do it for you? Work on a commission basis only, so you have nothing to lose by getting your accounts on our agency. However, we don't just take on anyone. We do obviously have specific requirements. We're not just going to sit on an account with 0 fucking followers coming in, 0 subscribers coming in. That'll be absolutely useless. We have a full English chatting team, and we'll be on your accounts 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Also, if you want to learn more about this business model, maybe you just clicked on this fucking video by mistake, or maybe you just want some more information about this business model, you want a bit more help, you need to grab our $47 course, and you will learn so much more. Why we've priced it at $47, I don't even fucking know. It is so valuable compared to the price tag. It's unreal. Plus, you get a free community where not only can you engage with other people and network with other people in this space, but you have access to expert coaches such as myself, such as Toby, and others making shit tons of money in this industry. So go grab that. It'll be down in the description. Apply for Chatterlink if you want a chatting agency, and that is the very basics of conversions.